What's going on, baby? Secret Word, man. Back at it with another video, man. And we out here, man. Taking the bikes out to a trick-or-treat meet. And then we're gonna go for a ride, baby. We're gonna go for a ride right after that, man. We got that boy Q and that boy Tito in the building. What's going on, man? How you doing, man? Good, good. Yeah.
1R6, and that's about it.
More people are coming.
Thought it was gonna be more like a car meet, but what's going on, bro? What you been up to, Tico? Is the bike white now?
Yeah, it's white on one side and 10 on the other one.
Is that intentional, or did you?
Yeah, I did it like that because I was tired of the tan, so I wanted a new look. So I took the wrap off on one side, but eventually I'm gonna do it on the whole bike and have it like all white, completely white, until I do the whole new wrap. So
yeah, I don't have the money to do anything with my bike right now.
Yeah, bro, I didn't have the money to wrap it, so I was like, fuck it, let me just fucking customize it myself and do something. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, my buddy with the S1K is pulling up too. The half.
Nice little event they got going on out here. Okay, no, still coming. Dile, la que te esa, que esa tú la usas. All right, man, we got the boys over here, man. You guys already know, man, my boy Dropper going home. Be safe, man. Yes, sir. We got Cuba, Tito, Casper, my boy Camo with the 1000, my boy Tito, and my boy Blake over there with the 636, man. We out here, we going to, we gonna have a great night, boys. Got that boy Tito, Jigsaw 750, CBR 1000, 636, 750, 1000 over there, man. Let's get it going. Let's get going. I hope you guys hear me right, brothers. I bought a new mic today, man, and I did a couple of tests, and it's sounding great. So my boy Wolf, aka the gun maker, please comment down below, man. Please let me know if the issue is fixed, my nigga. Please, brother, please. But yeah, man, we out here. We finna have a couple fun moments tonight. You know, we got a 750 and a 750. We got a couple 1000s. You know what I'm saying? No 600s. Oh yeah, 636. What the hell? There's a crazy Harley driver with us. I'm just fucking. I'll probably do a little run with Blake, man, even though he probably would smoke my ass. He think he's funny, boys. He started playing with me, man. Oh, you got the Snow 600. Man, first of all, you got a 636, not even a 600. And second of all, yours is newer than mine, and it's flash and ready to go. My shit is an old little baby, and it's not even flash, so calm down. But wait on it though, wait on it. You might clap me now, Blake. You might clap me now, but just wait. be fun. About to hop on Mexico Street right now. I'm on Tito in the building. Eddie and them are gonna race again. Down, man. So yeah, man, comment down below if you guys hear the mic good. I hope it is good. I'm pretty sure it's a lavalier mic, man. It shows like $80, goddammit. $80 for a goddamn mic for a little wire. That's crazy, man. The prices have changed. But we're doing a lot of riding, you hear me? Cuba got his ass smoked. Cuba. won though there? I don't know who won. Baby, 1,000. My boy Eddie stayed behind because he said something hit him or something, I don't know. Or something was wrong with his bike. I hope he's okay, man. He said wait for me, so that means he's good. Staying there though. Nice little open road right here. God, dude, the fucking G-Force, I think is the name of it. God, ew. What the hell happened? Yes, sir, man. We stopped to catch a breather and to reunite with everybody after we got down. We got the boys here. You guys already know, man. We waiting on my boy Eddie. He said he had a problem with his bike, so we're just waiting for him to get over here. We're like 15 minutes away from the place that we were going originally. So just waiting for him to get here. Because of the air, kind of like went that way. Ferry? Yeah. They probably flew off. Probably nothing hit you. It probably flew off.
It doesn't make sense, but it's like it's snapped off part of that one.
Yeah, you feel like something hit it. Boom. Shit. All right, man. So while we were raiding for my boy's camo bike to cool down a little bit, that shit got to 270, man. The temperature, that's crazy. But I was saying, as you guys see, man, we changed the headlights, man. Appreciate my boy Eddie for giving me the LED headlights, man. I've been wanting to do that shit. I just take forever to do shit, man, you know. But yeah, we out here. We're finna go We was gonna go to a meet, man, but since time passed and the meet is gonna close in like, it's gonna end in like 20 to 10 minutes, so why would we even bother? So we're just gonna go get some eat at Mikey D's. So yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, you guys already know, man. Oh yeah, dude, my headlights work. Oh my god. Man, let's go. I'm happy we got some new lights, man. Appreciate the homie Eddie. Once again, you guys already know, we're trying to make it fast. Because my homie, as you guys heard, his bike is overheating, man. So, trying to get to Mikey D's real quick, get something to eat while the bike cools down, and then make it back home together, man. Because we came together, we're gonna leave back together. That's just how it is. Pulling up to Mikey D's, man. I haven't eaten McDonald's in a while, man. I'm hungry. I'll probably eat like 2 McChickens right now. 2 McChickens and a live fry. 2 McChickens and a live fry. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. We out here. We are out here. Where's the homie with the CVR? Where's homie with the CVR? Man, drive-through is supposedly cool. I tell him. Supposedly it was open, man. Yeah, and it's fucking closed.
They say right now go to the drive-thru.
Drive-through. So we in the drive-through now. Let's see what. Now the biggest thing is that they're gonna tell us to come with the bikes, which will be stupid. Cause, come on, man, we're on bikes, you know. Yes, sir. We got that boy Cuba in the building, man. We're about to go. We're about to bounce, man. If you boys enjoyed this little ride, man, make sure you boys hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, man, and comment down below, man. See you boys next time, man. Peace.